Straighten knotted rolls before washing. Prepare warm water. Take an appropriate amount of shampoo into warm water and soak the hairpiece in it. Rinse off shampoo residue with warm water. Dissolve appropriate amount of conditioner into water. Dip the hair into the conditioner and soak the hairpiece in the water for about 5 minutes. Rinse and gently wring out excess water on the hairpiece. Use a wide tooth comb to restore the curl to its original shape. Condition the curls with essential oils and air dry it naturally. Before, after.